Hey, I'm Dr. Anna Maria Bliven, and I'm the founder of Prosperity Pathways. And we have been for many years helping people have a less stressed and more blessed life. So I'm bringing you today to a technique that I've been using for a long time. And it's been helping me not overdraft my bank account. And it will help you too. So you can see on my screen that we have a Excel sheet that's in Google Sheets, and you too can have track of your money and know that at the balance of the month, what you have left to spend, at the balance of the pay period, what you have left to spend. Isn't that a good idea? So this way you know what you can spend and what you should save perhaps, and keep eye on that money that you have worked so hard to make. So join me at the class so that you can come away with this for yourself. I'll see you there.